Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello, I'm back again, and this is Charlie, and you're watching UpStreamCharlie. Today we'll be testing the Oontz Angle 3 4th Gen to be paired with the PlayStation. So we'll be experimenting again a cinematic sound coming out from the Modern Warfare PlayStation 4 version. Okay, so we're using an old television. This is my Panasonic LCD TV. Okay, so we're using aux cable and not Bluetooth. Okay, aux is always the best. Okay, remember that. So I'm gonna plug this in to the aux in. And we'll try to put this in maximum volume. Okay, I guess that's the maximum volume for the Oontz Angle 3 4th Gen. I'll be wearing a headset to protect my ears, and hopefully it produces good quality music or good quality sound. The problem with the Oontz Angle 3 is it's hard to determine whether you're 50% or 75%. It's just a guessing game, okay? Unlike the others that you could, there's a sound or volume knob, so you could actually measure at least the most approximate percentage of sound. Okay, so we'll be playing game. We're gonna start playing a game. Okay, so I'm just guessing that I'm on the 75% because earlier I reduced the sound, but now I increase it. But it's not in its 100%. Okay, so this is the Candor hideout scenario of the Modern Warfare. This is offline gaming.
Team deathmatch. We've got enemy inbound. Lock and load.
Enemy in the tire shop. Reloading. Enemy near Main
Change your mags.
Changing max.
Halfway there. Keep fighting.
Enemy at the warehouse. Setting.
Contact!
Enemy at the warehouse.
I'll roll with you.
Change your mags!
Reloading!
Keep fighting!
Damn it.
Change your mags!
Enemy at the warehouse.
Reload!
Enemy at the tire shop.
Yes.
Who dares wins?
Okay, I believe that's somewhere in the Okay, I believe that's somewhere in the 90% or 80% volume. Like I said, it's hard to determine what the percentage volume for the Oontz angle, because as you can see, this is the control panel for the controls, the play, negative, positive volume, and for the Bluetooth. This has TWS, by the way, so you could pair it with another Oontz Angle 3. So the 4th gen can do TWS, the 3rd gen cannot. So that's the only difference. It's the same banana when it comes to the technical specs. So it has two 5-watt speakers. So as you could hear, and now that you've seen it and heard it, the Oontz Angle 3 could do the job as well. Okay, it's like having a the two 10-watt speakers of Apollo Supreme Max. But the way I analyze this is that it has more treble than bass. Okay, so when I was playing music and watching movies, I find that it has more treble, it has more highs and mids than the bass. Okay, so unfortunately it cannot do deep bass or heavy bass. Okay, but as a companion for the PS4 and whatever game you plan to play, this is a good companion as well. So cinematic sound is good. If you plan to watch Netflix movies, TV series with this is also good. Okay, but if you plan to play music with heavy bass, this cannot do the super duper heavy bass, but it has bass. I could attest to that, but not as heavy as we want to, or it can do. Okay, so again, this is Charlie Jose, and you've watched the testing of the Oontz Angle 3 for the console gaming test. So that ends our show for today. Thank you for watching UpStreamCharlie. Thank you for watching the Oontz Angle 3 4th gen test for the PS4 Modern Warfare gaming and test for cinematic sound. And basically that's it. So see you on the next video. See you on the next product review. Bye-bye.